built a 28-metre tall wind turbine at Glastonbury Festival. From the day it was manufactured to the day it was fully functional took just 6 weeks. Once on site, the turbine itself was assembled in a day, and of course we had to finish it off in lively pink and purple. It was producing up to 300 kilowatt-hour per day, enough green energy to power 300 fridges. The energy created was used to power food trucks, making sure all the happy campers didn't go hungry. The turbine was named Gusty Spinfield by one of our customers, saving 379 kilograms of CO2 emissions. That's the equivalent of planting 9,488 tree seedlings and letting them grow for 10 years. A combination of red tape around building wind turbines and long waits for grid connections means it takes over 400 weeks to get a turbine built and functioning as it should. For communities that want it, renewable energy can make a real difference to driving down energy prices and can be built quite quickly. If only we can cut that red tape. We've already got over 20,000 people asking for wind turbines to be built near them.